I can't feed my God.
Yeah! Yeah!
Aha.
Guy na Obioko. Under this first one, in a Obioko. The Bonner. Bonner man. Bonner boy. Dragon. In a Boko. Exhaust. 911. Under this first one, King Ebana. Dick Badikage. Neto Chineke. When Chineke Jamon. Neki Puzu. Under this first son. Chineke me get and not rush again. Not Japan. I get on Odeka. Deka Nigeria dị ọgbọghị juju bisa medical make him make a Chineke ji gbakọta anya azụ so that we perish in this country because of this kind of behavior.
Mommy, see you.
Who goes you?
In the court. Of course.
So you know they fear. You collect my panko, smash am for ground.
Anyway. Sorry. Chizzy.
No.
That's problem. If you buy what anemia, this street now put on full year.
Na court is full.
Na court is, I'm telling you. No, make the glass. So glass.
Put out for gear one. What am there? Tell me what happened. What break also? Tell me what happened.
Just now, but on down the street, I can see one guy there. They make a preach to give him the word of God. They preach to him. And that was all my behind. What's my face?
Wait, for this area.
Down here, now for
this area. Okay, they go.
Go here. You go house now.
The person do you this thing. He fell in me. Yala chofe no ba. He fell in me. Yala chofe.
Tara sanni hade sonni.
What you know na fa na wala. Agwanfa na alafa na wala. Hebala muno. Yeah, agwanfa na alafa na wala. Hebala muno. What like they follow me? Make who they go. So person get mind. Do you this thing?
Na people.
People get mind from where the moral.
Yes.
Make it ya. Kainaga. People take them call ya.
Imagine.
Make we they go.
Yes.
People take them call ya.
Yes.
They don't carry my matter like infection.
Are they your back?
Make we they go.
Tears go flow.
Blood go flow. You see my tears. They go sinfa.
Never.
Where is it?
And this guy, next time this guy.
The person where you do this thing now, where is it?
Hey,
Oh, damn! Attention, it's on a blonyala. Oh, now you get the mind. And they beat this man like this. Anthony Joshua. No, Mayweather. As Mike Tyson now, where you be?
Can you imagine?
As Donyala, no. Make I cap you. I am a retired mad woman, but not tired. So if you don't need Donyala, Agwangi, Nalagi, Nawala, Ebalamuno. Donyala.
Hey, man.
Oi, what you be? Hold on.
What you getting?
Jesus.
Hey!
Jesus. So, you get me, bro.
What you want me? What you?
Call your sister.
My wife, I blow my sister. Hi, now so Bikono. Oh yeah. Hey, laptop go Chizzy oh. Chizzy, laptop go for me. Bikono. Oh yeah, laptop go mo. Yeah, laptop go mo. Bikono.
How you going? After hey, later go now. How you and them go? Calm down now. I don't say you the best. I don't say you supposed to be brutal. Wait now, Buto now. Calm down. You supposed you know say you know they brutal. Supposed they brutal. They rugged. Still get sense. They smart. No sister, as I see that thing, I just pick this. Now what you supposed to do?
Why you go wrong?
Wait now, calm down. Nakalao. It go short. Make I stand. You see as I ginger him. As you say I stand, he go knock me short. So you supposed to pick race. I'm not here. Oh, see, I got another plan. I got another person. Where we say he go take better revenge.
Leave him. I don't want revenge.
Alright, calm down. I get Reverend Father we get
hold your plan. Chizzy, leave me alone. Hold your plan.
You see, if you don't follow these people up, these people will pursue you. These people not go lead. I know them now. These people they game, they like these people they brutal. If you leave them, if you don't take your revenge, these people go find you.
No verse, Chizzy. You know, say this revenge in my own it be. Huh? Leave the revenge. I go take her by myself. Don't worry.
I'm not saying your revenge, but you are my person. I don't collect them. Even if you reach there, you know one fight. Leave her. I go fight. Onye bolu, this will be up. Onye bolu, this will be up. Make you normalize. I get one Reverend Father like this. In the day game, the guy dey very brutal. Like if you see am like this, you don't see trouble. Make we show them. Say they small for this matter. They small for this game. Onye ofo pada azakwa afuru. And I kwa afafa pulu. Na wacha ni efo enozugbo. Anya agwafa na alafa na anwụ ala ebe ala anyị nọ. Ya, anyị mecha anyị ihe. Anyị egosifa na alafa na anwụ ala ebe ala anyị nọ.
I'm going to go.
No, trust me, make you go.
My revenge can take care of this.
No, make you go. Father.
Hey, Chizzy.
Father.
Chizzy.
If you are me, what about you, Chizzy?
No, again. What you talk?
I can't feed my God.
Yeah! Yeah!
What is it?
Father,
yes, nah.
As a call Igbo man, you're supposed to have your chi.
Okay, you are
Only you are Bobuna.
Chizzy, why are you calling me?
I want on Africa.
What is it?
He get what? See face. I want eba. Okay, me and Apala. I want hala.
You take that pan.
They beat this man.
From where?
They don't show us say they get color. They beat me. Even me if I run, I japa.